Now I'm going to talk about our commercial and industrial tarp products, which fall under our total enclosure line. When you purchase Eagle Industry tarps, these are different than your standard blue and silver tarps that you find at your hardware store. They typically differ in about 3 different ways. The first thing you're going to notice when you purchase a tarp from us is that it's going to be a heavy-duty material. This can be more puncture resistant, it can be flame retardant, it can be more tear resistant, it can be anti-static, it can come in quite a few different colors, but you're going to get a much stronger, durable, and fabric that's going to fit the application that you're doing. The second thing you're going to notice is this black seatbelt-like webbing that we sew in at the connection points. The reason that we do this is because it offers reinforcement at the weakest point where you're connecting the tarp. The last and probably most important thing that we do to the tarp is we add internal seams. When you buy a standard tarp at a hardware store, you typically only get connection points around the outside edge. Our tarps differ because we put in custom internal seams. Now we can line those internal seams up with an existing cable, or we can place them every 5 or 10 feet where you can run additional cable or rope. But what this does is where a normal tarp would have all that fatigue and stress on the outside, we now evenly distribute that wind load that's coming onto that tarp throughout the entire tarp, not just on the outside, making the tarp last that much longer compared to anything else. To sum it all up, these tarps are better than the other tarps you would find at a hardware store because you get better fabrics, seatbelt-like webbing on the connection points, and internal seams, which makes the tarps last longer.